Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine at your home. In previous video lecture, we have discussed about the static friction and sliding friction. Now it's the turn to understand about the rolling friction and fluid friction. So we are going to correlate it with our day-to-day life cycles and day-to-day experiments. Okay. So I hope you all have seen about the wheels of the vehicle. Okay. What is it? This is the wheel. Okay. Of take any bike which you love. We'll take it KTM. Okay. So it's a very fast moving vehicle. So have you ever noticed that why the wheels of the vehicle are very thin? Okay, so there is one reason which is hiding behind the friction, and we'll understand with the help of this what rolling friction is. As you know that this wheel will rotate at a very high speed, okay, at RPM of 300 or 400 RPM rotation per minute. Okay, it may be more for these speedy vehicles, but what is the reason behind this? Have you noticed the point of contact between the wheel surface and the road surface is very less? Have you noticed it? Yes. If you have noticed, this is the reason what makes it to produce a very low friction. It makes to produce a very low friction, and that is the reason why your vehicles will move very fast. Zoom, like this. So here you can understand that as the point of contact is very less between the road surface and the contact of the tire, what will happen? Low friction will be produced, and that is the reason why your vehicles will move very fast. So I think this friction is related to rolling friction. Okay, same wise as if you have seen the ball which the footballer plays. Okay, if they kicks the ball with their toes, what will happen? The ball will roll and move to its goal point. So what is the reason behind this? This is nothing but the rolling friction. But why does this ball rotate and why the shape of the ball is round in shape? That is because if the ball is kept on the flat surface, what will happen? The point of contact of the ball and the surface will be very less, which will cause the low friction to be produced. That is the reason why your ball will roll too much and it will reach to its goal position. Okay. For example, can you imagine the shape of the ball like this? No. Because if the shape of the ball is in rectangular shape, what will happen? The point of contact will be more with the surface. So what will happen? Very high friction will be produced, and that is why you cannot move this to a very long distance, right? So these are the day-to-day examples which we are seeing in and around, but we should know the logic behind it, why it is happening. I hope this point is clear to you, right? Now we will learn about fluid friction in another video, right? So if you have any doubt for rolling friction, you can contact me or you can have a research on it. In today you have some exercise to do at your home, that you have to collect 5 examples which shows the low friction. Okay, shall I give you one example? Now in this corona time you all are playing a carom board. Okay, so what type of friction it is producing, I want to know you with your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much. I'll come with you another topic with fluid friction. Thank you so much.